What's up? I don't know if it was recorded last time anyway, so thanks. We're back. What I'm trying to do now is what I wanted to do is I wanted to use one of the CAD softwares, the CAD programs that lets you do like a 3D rendering. You can use it for 3D printing. You can do it for like architecture and stuff like that. So what I wanted to do was what I initially set out to do. I wanted to do like a preview of the layout of the interior of the shop once it's up and running. Like have everything where I want to make sure everything can fit that I have and stuff that I want to obtain. Uh, what happened was what had happened was it's taking a little bit longer, but I'm still going to do it because I'm going to figure it out. Eventually, like I said, I'm not a pro at it, but this is when it comes to like the industrial arts aspect of the courses and stuff like that that I want to bring into the shop. Hopefully, barring space, and hopefully, like with the whole situation, right now we're at a standstill, and we're still trying to get everything together. Financially, we're at a standstill, but once we get back into the workforce, things will continue to roll forward. So hopefully, eventually, that will do all that. But right now, like I said, I'm gonna preview what I want to bring into the shop, not as a professional, not as a know-it-all, but because like I said, they're instructional courses, so I'm going to let the professionals show you. But right now, I'm trying to give you an idea of what we'll have. That way, you know what's going to be in the shop. Hopefully, if we get the shop that I want with the instructional courses. So I'm gonna share the screen now and show you. See, this is the program. This is called Sketch It Up. I used this a couple times before. I've definitely gotten better than the first couple times I've used it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just do a quick 3D rendering. Nothing fancy, nothing. Yeah, I mean, but it's gonna be like a building structure, and hopefully it'll all work, and we'll do what we're doing. So what I just did is I selected the rectangle tool, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to make this like a. We're gonna go. No, I don't want it. We might go. We'll go 34 by 34. It looks like 34 feet and 2 inches by 10. I'm gonna go 15. And the measurements are down in the right hand corner. I'm gonna go 15 because I think most shops in this area, like storefronts, they probably like 30 by 10, 30 by 15. Like if you're looking at a barber shop or something like that, I joke sometimes and say they're a long hallway, but live. YouTube don't get in your feelings. Don't get in your feelings. Long hallways. People be in their feelings. I don't know. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this like there's gonna be an inner wall. It's gonna be a wall. Like anybody in construction, the foundation is 2 times wall thickness, and if you're using cinder blocks for the foundation and stuff like that, that's 8 inches. So the foundation slab is not the slab, but the foundation is 16 inches. Then the wall would be 8 inches after you put the slab down and stuff like that. You know that. So I'm gonna select on the edge, and then I'm gonna put 8 inches, and then you got the inner wall. You got the inner wall, the perimeter. So I'm gonna get a little closer. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use the push pull tool. Like I'm saying, this is new to me, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to do. And like I'm saying, it can get hot like this. I was watching some of these demonstrations, and they created like mansions, and like you can use this to do like what is it, video game levels and stuff like that. And like they got different things, and that's another thing. I'm gonna try to get into that one of these days because that's another thing I'm trying to do, like Don't get in your feelings. That's that Unreal engine. But you can use this too for people, and you, like I'm saying, people in construction and architecture and stuff like that can use this. So now we're going to do a door. Like I said, this is just a basic structure. I'm not a pro at it, but I wanted to, like, what where you see here is, like I said, like the average storefront long hallway. You got the short wall, you got the long wall, and I don't know if I explained that in a previous time and temperature. Time and temperature. It's just like, I was watching something and the boy was like, he was talking about the area of his room, the square feet of his room, and he was saying it was about he said it was like 400 square feet, and then he went on to say it was like 25 by 30. Now I'm thinking to myself, but I was thinking out loud, I guess, and the person was like, "Oh, you judging them?" And it wasn't that I was judging when I did the calculations, because when I did the calculations, it wasn't 400 square feet, it was like 750 or something like that. And the thought behind all that was like when he said, because it was it was probably bigger than 25 by 30. But when he said it, and I'm like, oh, that much size for 20 by 30. And like if you on some of the realty websites or whatever, they go by square feet. They'll say it's 85 cents per square foot. It's $1.25 per square foot. It's 18 cents per square foot. So if I'm thinking like, all right, 30 by 20, and that looked like it was like 40 by 50. So he was way off, way off. But anyway, so I'm like, all right, so when I'm doing, so while the person thought I was being judgmental, it's like, I'm doing math. Like, all right, so if it's 30 by 25, and that's what is it? 30 by 25 is 750, I think. Hold on. 700. Let me 30, you gotta see the 30, 25. All right, so 20, 30, that's 15. And then the two. I don't remember. Let's do it. It is what it is. But anyway, the space he was shown was bigger than that. And then even, let's say if it was, for whatever reason, I can't do the math. 25. That's 15. And that's 6. And then 7. Yeah, 750. 750. There you go. So anyway, so 750. So all right, so then you got your 750. So if that's $1.25 per square foot, then you gotta multiply that by $750. Now, most storefronts, like I said, they not gonna be 20 by 30. They might be 10, 15 by 30. So if it's 10 by 30, that's 300 square feet. Now, if it's 300 square feet and it's 18 cents square foot or whatever, like, so that's where my thinking was when I'm watching this and talking to the person. It wasn't a judgment. It was just like I'm doing the math, and for whatever reason, I don't know. I don't know live. I don't know YouTube. Sometimes when you hear the heavy breathing, I'll be a little nervous. I guess I ain't a pro at it yet, but we getting there. Like when the full fledged, we gonna have fun. We gonna have fun. Like it's gonna be like a lot of these other podcasts you see. Like Nick, but I told you the I'm trying to. The day room talk, the gates, the barbershop. I don't want to go negative, but you know what I mean. We're just kicking it. This is the, like, we'll say the card game talk, but women are welcome. They be in the day room too. Like, it's a joke. I play. Don't get any feelings, wow. But anyway, so now we're going to try to do a door. Last time it didn't work out. The other times I was doing it was cool, but the last time I went with it, not so much. So the door we're gonna use the measurement tool. They got the little tape measure. So the tape measure gives you halfway through. Like I got lost when I was trying to do it. I didn't get lost, but I was trying to do like a bay window, and and all types of fancy stuff. It didn't work out that way. That's not what I wanted to do, but we're gonna do it again. I'm still like running my mouth and trying to do too much. So I was trying to do like a bay window where there was a window on this side and a window on the opposite side, but it didn't work out like that. And the first time I tried to do like one of them corner doorways but I think I'm getting the hang of it better now, but you know, it is what it is. So then we put that up there. I forget how long this is. This is But I'm gonna just do it real quick because I don't feel like doing a lot of stuff. That's the midpoint. We're gonna come over here. That's not even weird. Okay, so that's like way off. I'm sitting here running my mouth and stuff. Offhand, I can't really remember the measurements of the door opening, like the average door. Live, don't get any feelings. Don't get any feelings. It's all in good fun. Like, you don't want to be all in your feelings all the time. You already saw the joint I had. Like, you could ruin the ice cream cone. That's not as the kids would say gangster. It is what it is. So that's the door. There's the opening. Bam. That worked out perfectly. So you can see straight to the back. It's a show. It's a high level show. So then the part that really has been tripping me up is the window. But I was trying to do fancy stuff. So I was trying to do fancy stuff, but we gave up on the fancy stuff. See, that's way too long. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. We won't get rid of that. We're not. So yeah, because like I said, I'm not really. It is what it is, but it's still gonna be some fancy stuff. Like I'm just doing this to show. But when you get down to the hot stuff will be the hot stuff. Because these are like rough. I'm not even doing what I should be doing, but I just, like I said, I really wanted to do it to make sure that the layout. If I know that most storefronts are 30, the average storefront like affordable, like I ain't going just yet. It's going to be like I said, maybe like 30 by 15, 30 by 12, 30. It might be like 30 by, because I ride down the streets and I'll be paying attention, and the storefront width don't be that big, but it might be 25 feet. I don't think so. I need like a good 15. No, because like I know some of the rooms in the house are some of the rooms in the house here that I'm living are like 13 by 13, 13 by 12. So yeah, I would say that's about the width of the storefronts. Like it ain't definitely 25. Now the length is probably like 30, 25 feet. Whatever. So we're gonna hopefully it'll all work out with this Windows situation. Like that's been giving me the most difficult. Bam, Bizal, Bladow, there it is, and we're done with the window. We're done with the window situation. So that's the window. We're going profile it. We got to profile it. Got to stop. I'm a little scared. But I might. I think I'm a. No, I'm not even going to do it. I ain't even going to do it. So we got all that, and then we're gonna try to put the roof on here because like I keep saying, it's not always working out. I'm not a pro at it, but we're getting there. I learned this in like 10 minutes. That window, cut it out. All right, so you triple click that. Then you're supposed to come back over here to the rectangle tooly the thing. See, I don't think that's gonna work. It didn't. Let's try it from the back. I'm trying to get my ceiling on there, but no, I'll be playing on that. That's why I think we're gonna have a good time. I don't know, I did it before, but you know, the ceiling ain't working out right now. It's getting annoying. Maybe. All right, let's try the pencil tool. Maybe the pencil tool will help us out. Nope. Oh, there you go. There you go. And there you go. You got a little storefront. Like I can put another window in. Like I said, I can put a corner window. Like that's what I was trying to do. Have it hook it up over there. Like I said, I ain't the professional. Blat owl. We're gonna do another one. We're gonna do another. We're gonna do one. We're gonna do one. Why? Because I like being next. It's fun for me. Blat owl. Blat owl. My eyes are getting a little blurry. I want to make sure that's on point because we don't want to. As the kids say, I forget what the kids say. Bong. There you go. Like I'm gonna roll over for this. As the kids say, bong. We got it. So we're gonna try it again. Like we're gonna try to do this again, and we're gonna make that win back. Bong. Blat out. It's just like that. It's just like that. And then, like I said, we're gonna come profile it. It's not brown. Bong. 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 I don't know what just happened. It's playing too much. We in the wall somewhere. I have no idea what that is. We're in the wall.
How great is it that we get to tell everybody how Liberty Mutual customizes your car insurance? So you only pay for what you need.
I'm a little scared.
Sorry? Whoops. Good evening. Nope. Oh, what? I'm an emu. No, buddy. Buddy, it's a filter. Only pay for what you need. Liberty, 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 liberty.
Now we're going to go outside.
Germs and bacteria can grow inside your reservoir, tubing, and mass. And cleaning them can be an expensive, difficult task. When you need to breathe easy, sleep great, and stay healthy, what you need is Clean Zone, the affordable, portable CPAP cleaner and sanitizer. Just press and Clean Zone.
Why are we all the way down here? I don't know.
Eliminates 99% of germs and bacteria from every surface of your CPAP reservoir, tube, and mass.
Well, I guess you're getting a view from all sides.
No added chemicals, no
Bong.
worries. You'll breathe in healthy, clean air and sleep
With a
peacefully.
back door in
I
that.
used to bug in between the sleep
Marasaka.
and I worried about how dirty it was.
But that's what it is. We won't end it there live. And I'm gonna come back at you next time you see it. My stuff is gonna be in there. The interior is gonna be decked out, tricked out. Bong. I don't know. I'm just playing.
And when I compared quality and price.
Till next time.
My clear choice.
I can sleep with